Welcome back to my vlog today. As you can see, we're not in the kitchen, so what we'll be doing instead of cooking is going to be unboxing the month of June's subscription box from Universal Yum. I believe it's a super box, the Super Yum box. What they do is every month it's a separate country that we get the snacks, treats, candies from. And just to let you know, I am not sponsored by them, though I would love to be, but I'm nowhere near big enough for them. But well, let's get to unboxing, shall we? Okay. Looks like today June's box comes from Colombia. Probably backwards in the screen, but hey. Okay. They also give you a little booklet that tells you a little bit, very small amount of stuff about Colombia. They give you in the booklet, there's trivia, little games. Okay, let's get to what's getting on. Okay. What we have first is Tosti Arepa. Probably butchered that name. It's arepa inspired corn tortilla chips with cheese and butter flavor. Interesting. Who knows? Next up is Rizadas Mayonesas mayonnaise flavored potato chips. Interesting. Next is Turbana garlic plantain chips. If you don't know what plantain is, it's related to the banana, but huger, bigger, and more starchy as opposed to sweet. A lot of Hispanic countries south of the border, anyways, a lot of them will fry them up as a dessert or make little chips out of them. They are pretty tasty. Next is that is not what that is. Carmelo Snacky. It's called. There. Snacky. It's caramel flavored corn puffs. Next is right here. Oca Loca Ovnis Frutos Rojos. That's a mouthful. Red fruit flavored chewy candy. Interesting. Okay. And next we got La Niña, right here. Papitas Limon, lime flavored potato chips. Lime is good. And next is Tocineta, probably butchered the name. It's bacon and lime. Sounds good. Okay, next is Maduritos, sweet plantain chips, more plantains, which I haven't had for quite some time. Rizadas, picant, spicy potato chips. I can't speak right now. Okay. Then we have some Bridge Arequipa wafers, caramel, or caramel, however you want to pronounce it, filled wafers. We have some Piazza wafer rolls with chocolate cream filling. Those are always good. And we have some cookies. They're Galetas Maduritas plantain cookies. And then we have strawberry and cream gummies right here. They are Trululu Gomitas Fresitas. And what else we got? Okay, no, that's not all. Got some Bianchi bar with Carmelo and Manny, which is chocolate coated caramel with a peanut bar wafer. Then we got Trululu Chocoris white chocolate coated gummies. Never thought of chocolate going with gummies, but hey, who knows? We have, next is Max Cocoa. They are wafers with coconut cream filling. And we get some Calle de Dulces Sortidos, assorted Colombian sweets. Inside there's a milk caramel, coffee, a guava, vanilla, orange, and a coconut. Sounds good. And also in these that you get a little baggie of hard candies called a Yum Bag, like this. We open it up. Do it the hard way. Okay. What we got is passion fruit bon, basically a passion fruit lolly with a bubblegum center. Chewy coconut candy, which is Super Coco Tirudito. Once again, I'm not a native speaker of Spanish, so I'm probably butchering this. And last but not least, a coffee flavored chew called Cafe Garom. Yeah. Like on all these tasting or opening boxes like this, I always try something out of it. What caught my eye is bacon and lime chips. If I can find them again. Ah, I tried to hide. Right there. That's what we're going to try. And get on. Kind of cute. Look like kind of like bacon. Very good. I hope you liked this box unboxing. That was a little bit longer, but hey. So if you like this video and any of my other videos, go ahead and give me a subscription. And if you like this video in particular, hit the thumbs up and ring the bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.